You have been taught to use the no contact rule wrong, and I teach you why. There are two ways to use the no contact rule. One of them will keep you in the cycle of emotionally addictive relationships, and the other one will help you detach from being a slave to the brain and a slave to the addictive thoughts and emotions. The first unhealthy way to use it is with the wrong intention, which is to get your ex back. This is taught by many bad relationship coaches and is detrimental to your mental health, and I will teach you why. The problem here is that the people use the no contact rule to get rid of the uncomfortable feelings of missing and to chase happiness in the other person. Because they're still acting on behaviors to make these feelings feel better, they're still feeding trauma patterns, which is called a compulsion and act therapy. The second way to do the no contact rule, which is the way I teach my clients, is to use the no contact rule as a cheat code to not do the compulsions, which are the behaviors to make the feelings feel better. With the way I explained to you in a second, you will cut out the addiction and change your brain from the emotionally addictive engine to the valued action engine. First step, of course, no contact, because we want to cut out the behaviors that feed the addictions, which are the urges that come up to text them and call them. Number two, and this is the one that most people get wrong because they don't know about it. We have to cut out the inside compulsions that you're doing inside of your head. Most people who do no contact, but at the same time, when thoughts come in their head, oh, we missed them, or what was the story, or they my soulmate, then they talk back to those thoughts. If you are pulled in by those thoughts, talk back to them because you're trying to make the feeling feel better, or you're addicted to the worrying, or you're trying to vent with your friends about these thoughts, you are still feeding the compulsions. You cannot control if the thoughts are coming in, and I'm not asking you that, but you can control if you're talking back or mindfully focus on the actions that grow your life. Think of the thoughts are trying to get your attention and trying to pull you in. You want like pressing XXX in the video game, always bring your attention. No, I'm doing this action well. I'm playing soccer well. I'm talking to my friends well. I'm driving well. I'm building my business right now well. Not reacting to the outside behavior with no contact rule and not reacting to the inside compulsions is cutting out the emotional addictions, and by you mindfully focusing on the things that you value, you are breaking the old patterns and with your behavior showing the brain new healthy patterns. Follow me for more actually helpful and practical tips to improve your mental health and relationships, because today I taught you that